Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to find a Nether Fortress in Minecraft Bedrock 1.20. Okay, first things first, open your Minecraft application. Hop on to any world of your choice, and once you are in, what you want to do is to go to the Nether. If you do not have one, just gather resources to make or get obsidian, then make a portal. Now, once you are in the Nether, what you can do is to use the command /locate structure. With this command, you are able to locate any biome or structures that you want to go to. Now, once you have your coordinates, you can now teleport to that location. Once you have teleported, you can now explore the fortress all to yourself. However, if you do not have an admin option, it will take you quite a long time to find a fortress, since it is randomly generated per server. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now find a Nether Fortress in Minecraft Bedrock 1.20. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!